Hi everyone. There is this question under complex numbers that reads: Find the Cartesian equation of the line or curve whose polar coordinate is r is equal to a. So right now this particular equation is in polar form, right? It is in polar form, and that's like we talk of the polar form to be kind of in terms of. So when we say polar form, so we take the our uh, okay when we take our quadrant here, we mostly know it to be in x and then y, right? But the polar form of this is in so we say that this is cos x, right? This is cos and then this is sine. Okay. So where this is the polar form and this is the Cartesian form. So our equation is in a polar form, okay? And so they want us to now express this polar form equation into a Cartesian form, okay, in terms of x and y, okay. Here it is in polar form. We are not seeing the sign and then the cos because they are a little bit here insignificant, okay. And so that's why we say r is equal to a. So how do we solve something like that? Remember, this is a little simple, okay, straightforward. So this is what we do. You first have to define what the R is, and we have an identity for R in complex numbers, okay. We know that, so we know that R is equal to, okay, is an identity I'm coming to write, that the square root of x squared plus y squared. Okay, this is an identity you must have off head. Okay, you must have it, and we'll be using it a lot. And in complex numbers, we use identity like this. Okay, a lot. So what does this mean? So now wherever we see the r, we substitute the value here. Okay, and so this is the given polar equation, so we'll substitute it. At the end, all that they want is to be able to express this in terms of x and y, okay, in Cartesian form. So how do we do that? Let's go ahead. So we now know our r, but we said that this r which is here is equal to a. So we just do a quick substitution. So we know that the r is this. So we have that the root of x squared plus y squared, okay, is equal to the a. We say r is equal to a, but the r is here, so it's equal to a. Okay. Now, already we have terms in x and y. All that we are looking, that's what we are looking for. It is under a square root. Okay. So how then do we do away with the square root? To do away with it, we square both sides. Okay. So squaring that's both sides. Okay, of the equation, both sides. Um, so we have So when I square both sides, I will have x. So this is what I mean. Okay, that's the root of x squared plus y squared. Okay, is equal to a. So squaring both sides, this is what I'm saying. Squared, and then I square both sides. Okay, so this square root will the two will do away with the square roots. Okay, the two will cancel, and so I'll have x squared plus y squared is equal to a squared. And this is our final answer. We've been able to express this in terms of x and y. That's x and y being the Cartesian equation. So there is an equation is in Cartesian form. Okay, and so that this is our final answer. Okay, so that's therefore x as required. Okay. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and get to do mathematics with ease.